Do is tell me your name and the product name.
Okay, my name is Stephen Farrell. Should I look at the camera, by the way?
You can look at me.
Okay. My name is Stephen Farrell, and the product is called Pay Attention.
Okay.
And is a system for building a patronage network supporting journalism and other online media.
Okay. And how did you come up with this idea? Did it just kind of occur to you one day?
I had been kind of curious about the thought of looking at sites like Dig, where users sign up and make votes. I've been kind of curious about the idea of making that be a financial transaction, so people are actually paying money for something.
Right.
And then when I started to hear more about the crisis in journalism, as it's typically called, I started to wonder whether something like that kind of a model, might actually be useful to provide support for journalism.
To save journalism?
To save journalism, yeah. I mean, that's obviously a little grandiose.
Yeah.
But basically to provide more financial support for journalism. I think basically, at the end of the day, if there's people out there that value something, and it's easy enough for them to actually do so, that it's possible to generate some revenue from those people, but you need to give them something in return. So basically what we're doing is building a kind of network, so they're becoming more connected to the author can provide them special services in return for their patronage, and then we're also integrating these micro patronage decisions into things like Twitter and the other kinds of activities that people are doing to share and promote the stuff that they're interested in.
Great. And this is still in alpha, or is it out and people are using it?
It's in an earlier stage, so I'm not sure exactly alpha is the right word, but it's in a closed invitation mode.
Okay.
So basically, what I'm having people do is to contact me. I talk to them a little bit and potentially give them an invitation, and then they can try it out.
Okay. And how is it working out? Is it developing the way you thought it would? Because I know some developers build something and they think people are going to use it in a certain way, and people surprise them, and it turns into something different.
Yeah, I think it is something that we've been getting feedback from people and actually evolving it and adding more features. And what I do like very much is this kind of process of putting something out there and then seeing how people are using it, seeing how people are kind of reacting to this or that, and then doing the next step in consideration based on that.
Yeah, I really like the dual method of providing payments. You know, you pay in order to read something, or you pay to make a donation.
Right.
And is the small amount of donation, is that kind of a standard so that it becomes a easy thing, similar to buying an iPhone app? You know, it's only 99 cents, so therefore it's easier to justify making that donation.
Yeah, and in fact, so for an article, I mean, we're thinking even less, maybe something like 10 cents. And yeah, that's the suggested amount. The author can change that number if they want to, but that's the idea. And the user basically can just do a single click if it's being the suggested amount.
Okay, great. So congratulations, your product looks great.
Thank you.
Very, very excited about it, and look forward to seeing it and seeing you again at other events. Thank you very much for your time.
Good to meet you.
Good to meet you.